What's going on, YouTube? Your real estate agent Chris again, today with another property tour. We are in the flats of Los Feliz, right on Vermont, in this beautiful traditional home. And I want to do this tour a little bit different. I'm actually opening up because I'm getting ready to host the open house. So I just want to show you as I turn on the lights. I think that would be pretty neat. When you drive up to the property, you do see this huge and wide driveway with a 2-car garage. And as you guys can see, you have plenty of space here to park all of your cars. And it does help with obviously being more on a main street. We're having a lot of cars drive by, right? We know that the observatory is north of this property, so having this big driveway does help. And I want to show you guys the facade of the house. What's really unique about this house is that both of the 2 floors are high ceilings, so it's a very tall structure. Sorry for the sun there, that doesn't really allow us to check this property out, but let me move angles so you guys can see. It's a very tall property. Gives me a movie like house, right? With a wide entrance. You have these checkerboard tiles when you walk in that I really love. You can see them all through the dining room and kitchen. But let me actually show you guys. Let me actually walk this property, and I'm going to close the door so I can show you how quiet the property actually is. So the back end story of this property is that the seller bought the property 2 years ago. They were going to build a bigger house, but you know, it looked like that wasn't the plan anymore. So we have this thing back on the market. So it's pretty much a brand new house. They never moved in. So all of the appliances, everything in this house hasn't been touched for the past 2 years since it was renovated. So you guys can see here, we're in the living room. Does have those 12-foot ceilings. Ton of character with this property. You do have a fireplace, and you see the checkerboard tile again. And then you walk into the traditional dining room. And I think what's really unique is all of the character in this property. Like, just check out this built-ins. You don't really see these anymore. You guys can see there your agent Chris, right? And then you have this, which you don't really see often, which is like your built-in fireplace just for the dining room, which I think is pretty unique, pretty cool. Then you walk to your kitchen. Let me actually give you guys a better angle so you guys can see all brand new appliances, custom cabinets. You do have somewhat of a small island, but it does work with the space. It does feel wide enough, and I really love the light. This is more of where you would have breakfast, right? Or maybe you don't. Maybe you just want to get rid of that. You have more like a sitting place. Then you walk out to this. Check this out. You have your pool. Pretty nice pool with all of the privacy. No one could really look in. And then you're met with this structure on top of the garage that we're going to look at. Actually is living space up there. When you have people over, could be an awesome space for them to stay. So this property does have 4.5 bathrooms, and it's a 3-bedroom. So let me actually show you guys. Let me turn on the lights. You guys can see it's a smaller bathroom. Love the wallpaper, but that's just half a bathroom. You have a ton of closet space. Actually close this again. And then you walk upstairs. Let me actually close this out. We don't want people looking at this. Check out that window with the chandelier. You have a look at the front yard. You can see the neighbors walking. And this is your first bedroom and bathroom. Check this out. Every room looks like they have their own fireplace. Look how nice this bathroom is. Double vanity with your shower. And then you have your standalone tub, the other faucet. And you have these huge built-ins. Pretty nice with the, you don't really see this often. How cool is this? Check that out. Then you walk to your other bedroom. And the same thing. You have your closet there. You have your bathroom here. This one just has a standalone tub. Then you do have to walk up to the 3rd bedroom. There is plenty of stairs, so you will be getting your cardio if you do buy this property. Check out this circular window. Very nice. This is maybe where the kids will sleep. It's a nice attic space that's being used as a bedroom, right? Even these ceilings feel high, to be quite honest with you. You have your bathroom there. Oh, actually, let me guys show you the bathroom. I feel like I'm rushing. There's no need for rushing. And you get to your open house early, right? And you can start walking down again, all the stairs. So this property is a 3-level, right? So just a ton of character. You walk out to the main entrance. I really want to show you guys the structure in the back on top of the garage. So let's go check out this structure on top of the garage. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And it has full privacy. If you do buy this property, you could maybe Airbnb this property. Well, this portion of the house, such private living space here. You have everything's been nicely staged. Living room. You have your bedroom with closet. You also have your shower, bathroom here on this side. And on the other side, you have somewhat of a kitchenette, right? Sink. There is no stove, but I'm pretty sure you could fit one there, maybe an electrical one. All right. There you guys have it. The asking price for this property in Los Feliz is 3.7. If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out. I would love the feedback on these property tours. They're pretty much unedited, right? And straight to the point. If you guys are thinking of buying in LA, please let me be of service, and hope you guys have a wealthy day.